friends, welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the 3D geometry MCET problems from the topic DCs and DRs, and the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MCET examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the sums, okay. And in the description, I am giving the link of the practice problems of the DCs and DRs. So all of you, after watching the videos, once open the description and see the PDF and solve those questions also. Okay, let us start the class. Now here I am explaining level 2 sums from the topic DCs and DRs. Now this is the sum number 87. The problem is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 1, B is equal to 1, 4, 6 and C is equal to 5, 4, 4 are 3 points, then the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC is equals to. So here the question is, we want the foot of the perpendicular from the A point to the BC. Okay, this is the BC line, this is the A point. What is here given? That A is equal to 1, 2, 1, B is equal to 1, 4, 6, C is equal to 5, 4, 4. What is the given question? We want the foot of the perpendicular. What is the foot of the perpendicular? Just to draw one perpendicular from A to the BC side. Okay. Now the point at which this perpendicular cuts the line BC is called the foot of the perpendicular. So foot of the perpendicular is nothing but the point, foot of the perpendicular. Okay. Now we want this point. So for that, first I take that this is equals to XYZ. Okay. Already we know that in the DCs and DRs, the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Then the condition is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Okay. If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the condition is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. What are A1, B1, C1? A1, B1, C1 is equal to DRs of the first line. And A2, B2, C2 is equal to DRs of the second line. Okay. What are the lines here? AD and BC. So what are the DRs of BC first? What is the formula? X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 6, minus 2. These are the DRs of the line BC. Now what are A2, B2, C2? DRs of the line AB. Again doing that, X2 minus X1. X minus 1, Y minus 2, Z minus 1. Okay. Now what is the condition? Since clearly these two lines are perpendicular to each other, which A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Now replacing the values, 4 into X minus 1 plus 0 minus 2 into Z minus 1 is equal to 0. After taking the simplification, we get that 4x minus 2z minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is the condition which is satisfied by the foot of the perpendicular. Now checking the options. So options verification. So what is the first option here? 2, 0, minus 1. Replacing this point here, then what we get? 8 plus 2 minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Okay. Now taking the second option, 0 minus 2 minus 5. Okay. That is 0 plus 10 minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Now taking the third option, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Now what is the answer here? 4, 3 is 12 minus 10 minus 2. Yes, this is right. This is equals to 0. Therefore answer is the third option. Also check the fourth option. This also doesn't satisfy here. 4, 3, 5. That is 16 minus 10 minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So here only the third option is satisfied by the answer. So this is the correct answer. So answer is the third option. That's all. So here foot of the perpendicular means simply we apply the formula A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0 to get the required point. That's all. Now the next question, sum number 88. In a triangle ABC, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 3, B is equal to 5, 0, minus 6 and C is equal to 0, 4, minus 1, then the DRs of the internal bisector of the angle BAC. Okay, so here in a triangle ABC, one triangle is given. This is the given triangle, and what are the points here? The three vertices are given. A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 3, B is equal to 5, 0, minus 6 and C is equal to 0, 4, minus 1. Now what is the given question? The DRs of the internal bisector of the BAC. Okay. Suppose this is the internal bisector of the angle BAC. BAC. This is the angle. Suppose this is the internal bisector and this is the point D. Okay. Now we want the DRs of this line. That is, when we get the coordinates of the point D, then automatically we will take the DRs values by applying the formula A2 minus A1, B2 minus B1, C2 minus A1. Understand? What are the DRs of AD here? Suppose this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. Then what are the DRs? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. For that, first what we want the coordinates of the point D. Okay. To find the DRs here, we want the D point. Now how to find the D point? So here the point D divides the BC in the ratio AB is to AC. The point D divides the BC in the ratio AB is to AC. Now finding the AB distance and AC distance. What is AB distance? 5 plus 1 whole square, that is 36. 0 plus 2 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square, that is 4, minus 6 plus 3 whole square, that is 9. Therefore root 49 is equal to 7. Okay, root 49 is equal to 7, this value. Now what is AC distance? Square root of 0 minus 1, 0 minus minus 1, 0 plus 1 whole square, 1 plus 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 plus minus 1 plus 3 whole square, 4, that is equals to 3. Okay, so here ratio is equals to 7 is to 3. That is, the point D divides the line segment BC in the ratio 7 is to 3. Now I am finding the D point. Okay, mx2 plus nx1, 7 into 0 plus 5 into 3, 0 plus 15, 15 by 10, my2 plus ny1, 28 plus 0, that is 28 by 10, mz2 plus nz1, minus 7 minus 18, minus 25 by 10. Okay, this is the D point. Now what are the DRs of AD here? Therefore we want the DRs of the internal bisector, DRs of AD. What is the formula? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So 15 by 10 minus of minus 1, 15 by 10 plus 1. This is the first value. Okay, and 28 by 10 minus 2. This is the second value. And minus 25 by 10 plus 3. This is the third value. So what is the answer? First coordinate is equal to 25 by 10. 28 minus 20, that is 8 by 10, minus 25 plus 30 by 10, that is 5 by 10. Therefore the answer is 25 by 10, 8 by 10, 5 by 10, and that is the first option. That's all. Next question, sum number 89. The DRs of the line x is equal to ay plus b, z is equal to cy plus d are. So here two equations are given. We want the DRs of the line. Okay. Now what is first equation here? X is equal to ay plus b. That is x minus b is equal to ay. Okay. And what is the second equation? Z minus d is equal to cy. From this, x minus b by a is equals to y and z minus d by c is equal to y. So this is y value, this is y value. Now equating the values, that is x minus b by a is equals to y is equal to z minus d by c. That is x minus b by a is equal to y minus 0 by 1 is equal to z minus d by c. Now what is this? This is the line equation passing through the point B0D having DRs is equals to A1C. Having the DRs is equal to A1C. Therefore the answer is equal to A1C, and that is the second option. Okay. This is the line passing through the point B0D with the DRs is equal to A1C. That's all. Next question, sum number 90. The DCs of two lines L1 and L2 are 2, 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 2 minus 6. Then the correct matching of list 1 to list 2 is equals to. So once see the question, all of you. In the question we have list 1, list 2. Now we have to match the list 1 to list 2. Okay. That is, what is the first question in the list 1? DRs of a line normal to L1 and L2. DRs of a line normal to L1 and L2. That is DRs of the line perpendicular to L1 and L2. Suppose this is L1, this is L2. Okay. This is L1, this is L2. And given that DRs of L1 is equal to 2, 1 minus 2, DRs of L2 is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 6. What is the given question? DRs of the normal of L1 and L2. Suppose this is the normal of the L1 and L2. That is, this is the perpendicular of the L1 and L2. Now we want the DRs of this line, and the direct formula is here. B1 C2 minus B2 C1, C1 A2 minus C2 A1, comma a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the direct formula to find the DRs of the normal of the two lines. Okay, now what are a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2? This is a1 b1 c1, this is a2 b2 c2. Now replacing the values, b1 c2 1 into minus 6 minus b2 c1 plus 4. Okay, and c1 a2 and c1 a2, that is c1 into a2 minus 6 minus c2 a1. c2 a1 is equal to minus 12, minus of minus plus 12, and a1 b2 is equals to minus 4 minus a2 b1 is equal to 3. Therefore the answer is minus 10 comma 6 comma minus 7. Now check this value in the list 2. So this is the B option, that is first question is matched to B. So once check the options, 2 is the correct option. Okay, in the second option only we have that 1 is connected to B, that is second option is the correct answer. That means without doing the remaining questions, directly you can tell the answer. Here we have the B option in the, here we have the first answer B in the second option only, that is second option is the correct answer. That's all. Next question, sum number 91. If L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2, L3, M3, N3 are the DCs of the three mutually perpendicular lines, that is here three lines are given. Suppose these are the three lines which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Given that L1, M1, N1 are the DCs of the first line, L2, M2, N2 are the DCs of the second line, L3, M3, N3 are the DCs of the third line. What is the given question? Now we have to find the DCs of the line whose DRs are L1 plus L2 plus L3, M1 plus M2 plus N3, N1 plus N2 plus N3. Suppose this is the line. Now here given that DRs of this line is equals to L1 plus M1 plus N1, L2 plus M2 plus N2, L3 plus M3 plus N3. Now we want the DCs of this line. Okay, here one line is given, and also given the DRs of this line are like that. Now we want the DCs. Now we have the direct formula for find the DCs here. DCs of this line is equal to the answer L1 plus L2 plus L3 by root 3 and M1 plus M2 plus M3 by root 3 and N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3. Okay, this is the direct formula to find the DCs of the line N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3. That's all, which is the last option. That's all. Next question, sum number 92. If the DRs of two lines are given by the equations 2L minus M plus 2N is equal to 0 and Mn plus Nl plus Nm is equal to 0, then the angle between the two lines is equals to. Okay, so here given that the DRs of the two lines are given by these equations. Now we want the angle between the lines. Very important sum in IP, but here I am using one shortcut formula. Okay, listen all of you. So first, to find the angle, first I am comparing the first equation with AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0 and second equation with FMN plus GLN plus HLM is equal to 0. Okay, just I am comparing the equations like that. Okay, and I check the condition whether F by A plus G by B plus H by C is equal to 0 or not. Okay, if this value is equal to 0, then the lines are perpendicular to each other and the angle is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so first I am checking this condition. What are FGH values? 1, 1, 1. What are ABC values? 2, minus 1, 2. Okay, F by A 1 by 2, 1 by 2. G by B 1 by minus 1, 1 by minus 1 plus H by C 1 by 2. Okay, and this is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore the lines are perpendicular, therefore the angle is equal to 90 degrees. That's all, very easy, just checking the condition. So answer is equal to 90, that is the last option. Question sum number 93. In this question we have two statements here. The first statement is if P is equal to 0, 1, 2, Q is equal to 4, minus 2, 1, then angle POQ is equals to pi by 2 where O is the horizon. Okay, so first given that first condition is equal to angle between the lines is equal to 90 degrees. So first we have to check whether it is 90 degrees or not. Okay, what is the condition? If the lines are perpendicular, then the condition is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we are checking that condition. A1 A2 0 into 4 is equal to 0. B1 B2 minus 2 into 1 is equals to minus 2. C1 C2 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That is equal to 0. Yes, this one is equal to 0 means angle is equal to 90 degrees. Yes, this is the correct statement. Statement 1 is true. Now checking the second condition. What is the second condition? If the DRs of two lines are 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 1, then the angle between them is equal to pi by 6. That is, so first I apply the formula cos theta is equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the angle between the lines formula. Okay. So I am replacing the values in this formula to find the angle between the lines. Okay. Now what is this? 1 into 1. 1 plus 2 plus 0 by square root of root 2 into root 6. That is 3 by root 12. That is equals to 3 by 2 root 3. That is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 means angle is equal to 30 degrees. That's all. This is also the correct statement. Therefore, given two statements are correct means the answer is the third option. Which of the following statements is true? That is the given question. So answer is both statements are correct. That is the third option. That's all. Next question, sum number 94. Coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point A comma B comma C on the y-axis. Very easy. So here one point is given. This is P A B C. Now we want the foot of the perpendicular from this point to the y-axis. Okay. So we draw one perpendicular from P to the y-axis. Now we want this point coordinates on the y-axis, x coordinate and z coordinate at 0. Therefore the answer is equal to 0 comma b comma 0. Answer is on the y-axis, x coordinate and z coordinate becomes 0. Therefore the answer is equal to 0 comma b comma 0, and that is the second option. That's all. Next question is the last question of the descent. Yes, the question is, if AB is perpendicular to BC, then what is the value of the K? Where A is equal to 2K 23, B is equal to K15, C is equal to 3 plus K21. Okay, 3 points are given. We want the K value. What is the given condition? AB is perpendicular to BC. That is, AB is perpendicular to BC means the two lines are perpendicular means what is the condition? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. What are A1 B1 C1? A1 B1 C1 is equal to DRs of AB. Okay. DRs of AB. What is the formula? X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1, 2K minus K, K, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 5, minus 2. So these are A1, B1, C1. And what are A2, B2, C2? DRs of the BC, second line, 3 plus K minus K, that is 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 5, minus 4. Since the lines are perpendicular means we take that A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Okay. 3 into K, 3K plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. That is 3K is equal to minus 9. Therefore, the value of K is equal to minus 3. That's all. And that is the third option.